How to block ads in Zen Browser Full Guide 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you how to block ads in Zen Browser, since it doesn't come with an ad blocker built in by default. Zen Browser runs on Firefox's engine, which means it still fully supports classic extensions like uBlock Origin without the restrictions Chrome now forces on ad blockers. Let's get it set up. Step 1. Open Zen Browser and go to the Firefox Add-ons store. You can do this by visiting Add-ons Mozilla org directly in your address bar. Step 2. Search for uBlock Origin. Make sure you're installing the original uBlock Origin, not a similarly named imitation. Step 3. Click Add to Firefox, then confirm the permissions when prompted. The extension installs in just a few seconds. Step 4. Click the uBlock Origin icon in your toolbar once it's installed and open its settings by clicking the gear icon. Step 5. Go to the Filter Lists tab and make sure the default lists are enabled. These are what block the vast majority of ads and trackers automatically right out of the box. Step 6. If you want stronger blocking, switch uBlock Origin's filtering mode to complete. This unlocks cosmetic filtering and scriptlet injection, which helps clean up leftover blank ad spaces on some sites. Here's a pro tip. If you're still seeing ads specifically on YouTube or other streaming platforms, that's usually because those ads are stitched directly into the video stream itself. A dedicated streaming-focused blocker alongside uBlock Origin will catch what standard ad blocking misses. So that's exactly how to block ads in Zen Browser using the same tools that power the most complete ad blocking setups available in 2026. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more browser and privacy tutorials, and let me know in the comments, are you switching from Chrome or Brave?